Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a gift card product on your Shopify account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top left corner and select the third option. Now select its last option which says gift cards, and now select this option right here called add gift card product. Right here guys, you just need to enter all of these details which is right here, like title, description, media, denominations and etc. And after filling all of these details, you just need to select on this save button right here, which will get highlighted after filling all of these details. And that's how you guys can create your gift card product and sell it to your customers on your Shopify account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.